Hola chicos, ¿qué tal? Bienvenidos una vez más a mi canal. El video de hoy se trata de los pronombres personales. Vamos a comenzar. Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to take a look at Spanish subject pronouns. Welcome back to my channel. Let's get started. So today we only have one slide, so let's see how this chart is set up. The first column distinguishes person, whether it's first, second, or third person. The second column is for the singular pronouns, and the third column is for the plural pronouns. So let's get started looking at first person singular, which is I. Now in Spanish, to say I, the word we use is yo. Yo. Now the plural form of I is we, and we have two terms here, nosotros and nosotras. Now what is the difference? Nosotras is the term only for a group of females. Okay, so if we're saying we and it's a bunch of my closest girlfriends and myself, then I'm going to say nosotras. Nosotros is a term you use if it's all males or if it's a mixed group. Now let's look at second person singular, which is tú. Tú. That means you. Now you'll see in this row, the second person row, I have informal listed there. In another video, I'm going to go over the differences in what it means to speak formally and informally in Spanish, because we have a way to be polite when we're talking and a way to be casual, depending on our relationship with the person. Right now, I just want you to recognize these terms, okay? We're introducing the subject pronouns. You don't need to know the application of them quite yet, but just recognize them and be familiar with them. So, tú is the singular second person pronoun. Now, the plural form is vosotros and vosotras. Now, this is exactly the same as nosotros and nosotras in terms of gender. Vosotras is you all, and that's a term just for females. And then vosotros is a term for males or a mixed group of males and females. And both of these mean you all. Now, you see the asterisk here also? This pronoun is actually only used in Spain. Everywhere else, they are going to use the word ustedes, which is right below it. Now let's go to third person singular. Usted. Usted. That means you, but it's different than tú because this is a word that we use to be formal or to be polite. We'll go into the difference between tú and usted in another video. Now, underneath usted is él. Él means he, and ella, right underneath it, is she. Now, in ella, remember, the double L in Spanish is pronounced like a Y. Don't pronounce it as the English L. Ella. Now, third person plural. At the top, ustedes, which is you all. And as I said, ustedes is used informally and formally. And we'll go over what that means in a different video. Right underneath it, ellos means they, and ellas also means they. But we're distinguishing if it's a all-female group or if it's a all-masculine or a mixed group of females and males. That term would be ellos. Now, let's go over the pronunciation one more time. Yo, tú, usted, él, ella, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ustedes, ellos, ellas. Okay, so that's it for today. Take a look at this chart, get familiar with it. It'll help you with your Spanish studies, and it'll put us in a good position to look at verb conjugations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you out. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave any comments if you have any questions. Gracias por ver este video. Espero que les haya gustado y nos vemos pronto. Hasta luego.